I don't know, but he's coming back. He said just to call him. He said because his girl had to change. Oh, okay. Não, teve que ser you. Tá lá por só web.
Anything, bro. Anything.
Y'all should be good, huh?
You guys want to talk stories?
Talk stories, nigga.
Hey, bro, where you at right now? Where?
Oh, it's a door puto.
Kirakangan.
Mira back. Yo, go the other way. Yo, please.
Which way did you go from? Which way did you go from?
Direto. Direto.
No, I don't. Damn move, I gotta go. Yo.
Look, it's me and this guy.
You're not that. Motherfucker, what's up?
You guys good?
Yeah.
All right.
You guys over there?
Peace out. I'll back.
Yo.
Yeah. Nope. Oh, the rain is done. Or is it still going? Hey, wish your powers. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Bro, this looks like these guys' neighborhood.
So when are we gonna go to the place or? Yeah, we're just gonna 5:30 I think.
Bro, I'm down. Bro. I don't really want to change.
You guys up at what?
I'm down just to roll.
Wait, no,
my clothes.
like kick back where?
Fuck.
I don't know if he said his house or at the. Oh fuck, for real. Is it the fucking hotel?
Is it?
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. He probably checked out. It was just for that night. That's why.
Oh, maybe.
Go.
Yep, go.
I'm gonna start recording at the party. I wanna see on Google Beast.
Ooh, bro, that Google Beast, bro.
And
I was walking in and he freaking shook my hand. He goes, "Hey, bro, I heard you've been making music." I was like, "Yep, we should collab." I was like, "Oh,
Oh, damn. Bro, that'd be nice, bro.
It's like, game over, dude." I don't know any of
Say,
these niggas.
damn. And tell him to